Assalamualaikum and Salam Sejahtera. Welcome to our presentation for Integrated Dental Record and Information System. Our team comprises staff of Faculty of Dentistry and Department of Infrastructure, UiTM. Our presentation today will present based on 4 contents: overview, problem statement, solution, and awards. As for the objectives for this product, the first one is comprehensive dental record, to provide comprehensive dental record for the staff and students using our dental clinics. Number 2, to provide seamless and robust system in the Faculty of Dentistry. Number 3, to integrate academic modules and the clinical practice in the clinic. And number 4, to provide big data for the research purposes. As for the problem statement, the first one, there is no available system in the market which analyze clinical data and student performance at the same time. Number 2, lack of safety and security of the document. Number 3, high operating costs due to the multiple printed logbooks per student per course that we have practiced with a paper-based system. And number 4, there is high tendency of human error. As for the key elements in the operating framework, we have developed a system called an enterprise system called iDeRMS. The system provides a mobile and web environment for users to access the system. We also develop an in-apps application for certain modules. In addition, we also inject a data analytics features for executive dashboard reporting and research purposes. Another key elements for the enterprise system that we have, and just summarize what we mentioned before, are 1, mobile environment, data analytic features, and web-based environment. These are examples of the features contained in the web-based system. We have patient record, patient management, referral, billings, and we have sub-menus underneath all the features. We have also academic, which we integrate with the clinical features. We have logbook, assessment, and also progress report by the mentor, discipline, and procedures. We have also clinical support system, histopathology, radiology, pharmacy, and prosthetic lab, all built in-house. We also plan for the future features as shown on the screen. As for the specialty in dentistry that we have developed, we have orthodontics, prosthodontics, and etc. These are the specialties that have certain requirements, specific requirement for the data entry in the system. This is the example of the login page for the web-based, where students, staff give their credentials to enter the system in the UiTM network. And this is one of the landing page or the dashboard. When they have entered the system, you can see all the details of the patients or the details of their account. And this is one of the example of the patient record that we have created that contains all the clinical data required, including the academic module that we have integrated in the system. And this is one example of the patient record, which become also a medical legal record that can be used anywhere as what we call this clinical data as well. And we also embed the analytic components so that we can use for future management and also research. This is an application, mobile application that we have developed for the ease of our operation in the faculty, for the use of students and staff and also patients. As for the development, during the development process, we use agile and rapid prototyping approach. These outline processes from our plan module developing the prototype until deploying modules by modules for items. Item server infrastructure utilize three-tier architecture, web-based, web app, database servers. All the servers are in the virtual environment. We also make use of open source platform, whereas our development is on MVC framework. Our backend database is using MariaDB, a well-known community open source database management system. We also include other development tools such as Jira for project tracking, Git for maintaining our code repository, Jenkins for apps deployment, Redis for memory management, and others. This tool is part of the application development architecture, which also supported by the servers. These are awards that we have obtained. And we also have publication. And lastly, we also have obtained copyright. With that, thank you.